Hi everyone, my name is Hester and I work for Birkbeck, University of London, and I'm part of the working group. As well as attending regular meetings, we've been supporting on delivering some of the intergenerational work through our family learning events. Intergenerational work was seen as really important by you in the last Citizens' Assembly, and it's a key project area for the working group. We often think about intergenerational as between very young children and older people, but it's also about parents and children communicating. In February half term, we piloted our first family learning event in Stratford Library, where parents and children could come together to learn about the brain with our Centre for the Brain and Cognitive Development. We had 26 parents and children join us, and it went really well. We were ready to deliver some more workshops in Stratford Library over the spring holidays, but coronavirus meant that that wasn't possible. So instead, what we did is put together 4 videos on the subject of the brain that parents and children could do at home, and it included both learning and talking from our academics, but also activities that people could do with minimal resources. They're all up for free on YouTube, and we shared with Newham residents through mailing lists and community partners and online through our social media. So far, we've had 296 views, and they're still up and available for anyone to look at if they want to get involved and do them with their children at home. Going into the next year, from September onwards, we'll hopefully be looking at some other subjects we can deliver family learning videos on, and I hope that we'll be able to come back to Stratford Library at some point and deliver the workshops face to face again sometime in the coming year.